How to fix CMUSBDAC.sys. Blue screen of death error in Windows. 1. Remove and reinstall your CMedia USB audio class driver. 2. Update all available device drivers, from motherboard to display card, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Check for virus and malware using the recommended Avast internet security in this video guide. 4. Restore your system to some restore point, if you have. 5. Run a Windows repair or reset. 6. Install ASIO4all for Windows at https://www.asio4all.org. 7. Run online Windows blue screen troubleshooter.